There are days I just don't want to open up the DAW, and I've been doing this for 15 years. You start making music because of a feeling, not because you wanted a second job. But you quickly realize you're not just a producer anymore. You need to be creating content, building a brand, building a following. You need to be an expert in video editing. And the making music, which is why you started this, is the thing that keeps getting pushed to the back. Then when you finally do sit down to work on music, you think you're crafting your sound. But in reality, you're just recreating a cheaper version of what you've been listening to, and you just don't know it yet. I remember going to my first festival in my 20s. I'm gonna be 40 next year, so this was a while ago. But there was this moment standing in the crowd, and I got this feeling, and it's cool because everyone around me was sharing that feeling. It's the music, it's the lights, it's that one person in front of everyone controlling it all. When I experienced this, I wanted to be that person. I wanted to be the one giving that feeling to everyone in the crowd. And I know I'm not alone in this. Every producer I've worked with has a similar story, whether it be a nightclub, a show, a festival, where something switched. So where did that feeling go? I've thought a lot about this, and not just for myself, but the 1,000 producers I've watched go through the same exact thing. And what I've realized is that the love doesn't go anywhere, it just gets buried under the pressure of trying to sound like someone else, be someone else, and build a career that looks like someone else. And here's the thing that no one talks enough about. Every producer has the same shit. We all use the same DAW, we all use the same synths, we all have the same plugins, the same samples from Splice. The only thing you have that nobody else has is you. Your taste, your influences, your story. The producers who break through aren't the ones who perfected the formula. It's those that have stopped following somebody else's. You didn't fall out of love with music. You most likely fell out of love with trying to be someone else. So go back to why you started. That show, that festival, that feeling, that's still yours. Nobody can make music the way you can. Start there.